Hello everyone. If you wake up and the very first step hurts, that sharp, uncomfortable pain in your knees or legs, then this video is for you. Millions of people experience this every single morning, and many think it's just a part of getting older. But here's the truth. It's not just age. Most knee and leg pain comes from inflammation, stiffness, and weak support around your joints. And the good news? You can start changing that today, right from the comfort of your home. Let's start with the morning reboot. Before getting out of bed, take a few minutes to gently stretch your legs, rotate your ankles slowly, pull your knees toward your chest one at a time, and feel your joints awaken. Why does this work? Because it boosts blood flow to the muscles and joints, lubricates your knees, reducing that stiff, frozen feeling in the morning, cuts stiffness by almost half, making your first steps much easier. Imagine getting out of bed tomorrow and actually walking without wincing. That's what this simple habit can do, and it takes less than 5 minutes. Extra tip: combine this with slow, deep breathing. Inhale as you stretch, exhale as you release. This not only helps your body but also calms your mind for a positive start to the day. Next, let's focus on nutrition. What you eat can either fuel your pain or fight it. Refined carbs like white bread, pasta, and biscuits are silent culprits. They trigger inflammation in your body, making your knees ache more, especially after long hours of sitting or standing. Try replacing refined carbs with oats, brown rice, quinoa, or whole grain bread. Even small changes like having oatmeal with fruits for breakfast or a brown rice salad for lunch can make a noticeable difference in days. Hydration is equally important. Drinking enough water flushes out toxins and reduces inflammation. Aim for at least 7 to 8 glasses a day and consider adding lemon or cucumber slices for extra detox benefits. Another tip: include anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, ginger, berries, and leafy greens. A smoothie with spinach, berries, and a pinch of turmeric is not just tasty, it's healing from within. Finally, the evening reset is crucial. Before sleep, lie down with your legs resting up on the wall for 10 minutes. It drains extra fluid, reduces swelling, and helps your joints recover overnight. These small, consistent habits, stretching in the morning, smart food choices, staying hydrated, and a nightly reset can make a big difference in just 7 days. You don't need pills, supplements, or a gym membership, just simple daily routines your body will thank you for. Now that you've started moving and fueling your body the right way, it's time to focus on strengthening the muscles around your knees and legs. Strong muscles support your joints and take the pressure off them, which reduces pain and stiffness. Start with simple home exercises. You don't need a gym or equipment, just your body weight. For example, straight leg raises. Lie on your back, one leg bent, the other straight. Slowly lift the straight leg to the height of your bent knee. Hold for a few seconds, then lower. Repeat 10-15 times per leg. Wall sit. Lean against a wall and slide down until your knees are at a 90-degree angle. Hold for 20-30 seconds. Gradually increase the time as you get stronger. These exercises increase joint stability, improve blood circulation, and reduce stiffness. Doing them consistently will help you move with ease and prevent flare-ups in the knees. Another trick is to break long periods of sitting. Stand up every hour, even for a minute or two. Walk around, stretch lightly, or rotate your ankles. This prevents fluid buildup around your knees and keeps the joints lubricated. Consistency is key. Even 10 minutes of targeted exercises daily can make a noticeable difference within a week. Remember, these are small steps, but they add up to big improvements over time. Along with movement and nutrition, sleep and recovery play a huge role in relieving knee and leg pain. Your joints repair themselves while you rest, and poor sleep can worsen inflammation and stiffness. A simple evening routine can make a big difference. Lie down on your back and place your legs up against a wall for 10 minutes. This helps drain excess fluid from the knees and reduces swelling. Add gentle breathing exercises while in this position. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly, and focus on relaxing the muscles around your knees. You can also use a warm compress or heating pad for 10-15 minutes on stiff areas. Heat relaxes tight muscles and increases blood flow, helping your joints recover overnight. And don't forget light evening stretches. Simple hamstring and calf stretches before bed keep the muscles flexible and reduce morning pain. Just a few minutes every night can make a huge difference over 7 days. Now let's talk about daily habits that support your knees beyond exercises and diet. These little lifestyle tweaks can dramatically reduce pain. Footwear matters. Avoid worn-out shoes or high heels. Wear supportive shoes that cushion your feet and distribute pressure evenly. Posture check. Whether standing or sitting, keep your back straight and knees slightly bent. Avoid locking your knees for long periods. Movement variety. Mix walking, gentle cycling, or swimming into your week. Low-impact activities strengthen your joints without stressing them. Another tip is to listen to your body. If a movement or activity causes pain, modify it. Pain is a signal, not a challenge. By respecting it, you prevent injuries and allow your joints to heal naturally. Even simple habits like taking the stairs slowly, standing while talking on the phone, or using a pillow under your knees while lying down contribute to long-term knee health. Finally, let's combine everything into a simple 7-day routine that's easy to follow. 1. Morning reboot. Stretch and mobilize your knees and legs for 5 minutes. 2. Anti-pain meals. Choose whole grains, anti-inflammatory foods, and stay hydrated. 3. Strength exercises. 10-15 minutes of targeted leg and knee exercises daily. 4. Break sitting hours. Move every hour to prevent stiffness. 5. Evening reset. Legs up on the wall, light stretches, and optional warm compress. Stick to this routine consistently, and in just 7 days you'll notice reduced stiffness in the morning, less swelling around knees and legs, improved mobility and comfort while walking or standing. No pills, no gym, no complicated treatments, just simple daily habits that make your knees feel supported and pain-free. Start today, follow these steps, and watch your leg and knee pain slowly fade away. Your body will thank you for it.